Writing to inform. When you write to inform, your aim is to answer what are called the journalist's 5W and 1H questions, which are relevant to the topic in hand. It therefore answers the basic questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how. So make sure that when you write to inform, you include answers to these 5 questions. It is also important to use other techniques. 1. Remember your text type and your audience. You need to make sure as well that you use vocabulary specific to the topic. Make sure that you are clear, concise, and to the point. However, you need to ensure as well that you have the right amount of detail which must be related to the topic. You must have clear topic sentences for each paragraph, and this means that you need to have a logically structured piece. Connectives are also important. Make sure that you keep to the present tense, keep it formal, and feel free as well to use appropriate layout and structural devices such as bullet points, subheadings, etc. Here are some sample questions. 1. Write a lively and interesting letter to an old aunt who lives abroad, informing her about what has been happening in your life and any plans you have for the future. Or maybe question number 3. Write a magazine article in which you inform its readers about your school. Make sure that when you attempt a question, you have at least 3 to 4 solid main points that you can write in the body of your essay. Make sure that you can develop each one of these appropriately so that your piece of writing is as detailed as it possibly can be. Here is a sample question. Write a letter to your school governors informing them of the changes you would like to see in your school uniform. Here's a sample response. Dear governors, there has been some heated discussion at school about our school uniform. The reasonable way forward would be to make some cosmetic changes to the one that we currently have. This way, we will be able to appease all parties involved. Firstly, it is clear that the school uniform is unpopular because it is uncomfortable. For example, we currently wear a shirt, jumper, blazer, tie, and trousers, and this is the summer uniform. This means that in summer it is far too hot and heavy and causes unnecessary sweating. We, the students, would like to propose this as the winter uniform and have something different for summer. The summer uniform can be a simple polo t-shirt and trousers. This way, we will continue to look smart while at the same time maintain a good level of comfort during these hot months. Another reason why the school uniform is so unpopular is because it is so unfashionable. In these modern times, why should we wear so much black? You need to ensure that to continue this letter in an appropriate fashion, that you have at least 2 to 3 solid points that you can develop in the body of the essay. So students, make sure that when you write to inform, you answer the 5W and 1H questions. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. And also remember to add appropriate detail, plan appropriately, and that is all about writing to inform.